In the vast expanse of human curiosity and ambition, few nations have left as indelible a mark on the exploration of space and the universe as Russia. From the early days of the space race to pioneering scientific discoveries, Russia's role has been both pivotal and inspiring. It all began amidst the backdrop of intense Cold War rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched the world's first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, into orbit around Earth. This historic achievement not only stunned the world, but also marked the beginning of an era where humanity's reach extended beyond the confines of our planet. Under the visionary leadership of Sergei Korolev, often hailed as the father of the Soviet space program, Russia continued to push the boundaries of space exploration. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to journey into outer space aboard Vostok 1, a triumph that solidified Russia's reputation as a pioneering force in space exploration. Throughout the 20th century, Russia maintained a relentless pace of innovation and discovery in space. They launched numerous missions that expanded our understanding of the cosmos. The Luna program, initiated in 1959, saw the successful landing of unmanned spacecraft on the Moon, paving the way for future lunar exploration efforts. This laid the groundwork for the iconic Apollo missions conducted by NASA in the 1960s and 70s. Russia's contributions to space science extended far beyond lunar exploration. They launched the first space station, Salyut 1, in 1971, which served as a precursor to the International Space Station, ISS, that continues to be a symbol of international collaboration in space exploration today. Russia's Mir space station, operational from 1986 to 2001, hosted astronauts and conducted groundbreaking research in microgravity environments, further advancing our understanding of human endurance in space. In the realm of planetary exploration, Russia's accomplishments are equally noteworthy. The Venera program, launched in the 1960s, achieved the first successful landings on Venus, providing humanity with unprecedented insights into the hostile environment of our neighboring planet. These missions not only expanded our scientific knowledge, but also inspired generations of scientists and engineers to push the boundaries of what was possible. Despite political upheavals and economic challenges in the post-Soviet era, Russia has continued to play a critical role in space exploration. They remain a key partner in the International Space Station program, contributing vital resources and expertise to maintain humanity's continuous presence in low Earth orbit. Russian spacecraft, such as the Soyuz, have become synonymous with reliable transportation for astronauts traveling to and from the ISS. Looking to the future, Russia continues to forge ahead with ambitious plans for space exploration. Projects such as the Luna Glob and Venera D missions aim to return to the Moon and explore Venus respectively, showcasing Russia's commitment to expanding our understanding of the solar system and beyond. Beyond the realm of technology and science, Russia's influence in space exploration resonates on a deeper level. It symbolizes the triumph of human ingenuity and perseverance over formidable challenges. The dedication of Russian cosmonauts and scientists serves as a testament to the power of collaboration and determination in achieving monumental feats. In conclusion, Russia's role in space and universe exploration is a story of innovation, courage, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge.